Alright, how's it going everyone? My name is Holt Russell, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your first mobile application with Flutter in 5 minutes or less. So, while I'm getting this started, you're going to have to already have Android Studio configured with Flutter, and the other thing that you're going to need is you're also going to need to have Flutter already installed on your device. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. So here we go. Android Studio. And it's as simple as this. Let's go to File, New Flutter project. We're going to click Application. We'll call it 5min app. It's going to be held in the source. I'm storing it in a specific, 5-minute app. Alright. Let's do that. Holt Russell. Let's click Finish. Open it in a new window. Cool. And now we've got our new app. So I'll go ahead and close this out. There's a video where I show you how to configure a phone to emulate your app. I'll link that above. Right now, once you click play, it'll automatically run the generic Flutter app. Awesome. So there you have it. This is your first app. It's pretty simple, but in the next few videos, I'll be showing you how to customize it and really create something great. Alright, thanks for watching.